On top tori for today for Live Media, parents and other stakeholders for we state don give Governor Obaseki better gbosa on top the renovation of 230 public primary schools, the one wey dey Edo State. As contractors dem don dey work on top how to renovate about 230 public primary schools for we state, parents and other stakeholders wey dey on top education sector, they don praise the ogbonge governor for the work wey e dey do on top education reform for we state. The stakeholders dem dey follow tori people talk on top wetin the government dey do on how dem don train over 7,000 teachers on how dem go sabi use digital tools to teach the children dem for we schools. Dem come talk say this renovation e go help the teachers dem to fit teach the children well, and e go answer the complaint wey people dey complain say how teachers wan take teach for school wey no stand well well. Some of the parents dem come still talk with their mouth say this renovation e go help save with public school education from basic level. Even get some of the parents wey talk say they don comot their children for school unto say the school face e no good well well, but this renovation wey dem dey do so e go help them to say return the children back to school, as we say with public primary school e don dey fine for face. From one of the meeting wey with ogbonge Governor Obaseki get with one of the contractors wey be say e never too tey, him be talk am say he go deal with any contractor, the one wey be say him do the work wey dey on top the school, he can't do am wetin oyinbo dey call substandard, e no reach the standard wey you want, he say he go prosecute them and they go see fire. Now here we see the tori reach on top the work wey Governor Obaseki dey do on top with basic education level, and the way the parents and the stakeholders wey dey on top education matter how dem take feel.